In this class, we are going to discuss about question number 6, exercise 7.1, coordinate geometry. Observe this question. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. We are having 3 questions and each question having 4 points. 4 points coordinates we are having. We want to find that what sort of quadrilateral is formed by using these points. Clear? So first one I am taking. We are assuming A is what -1 comma -2, B is what 1 comma 0, and C is -1 comma 2, and D is -3 comma 0. We want to find what by using these coordinates, these points, what quadrilateral is formed. So we will use distance formula once we are having two points coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2, one point having x1 y1 and another one is what x2 y2, then distance between these 2 points will be what square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So by using this distance formula we can find AB, BC, CD and DA. So AB will be what square root of x2 minus x1. x2 is what 1 minus minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and once solved then we are getting 2 square root of 2. Similarly, we are finding BC, CD and DA, then we are getting all sides what equal. After getting all sides equal, then we will find diagonals of quadrilateral. So from these points we are getting two diagonals AC and BD. So again we will use this distance formula and find AC and BD. So what about AC will be what 4 and BD is what 4. So both diagonals are equal. All sides are equal and both diagonals are equal. It means what ABCD is a square. We are getting square. Clear? Now next one, question number 2, in which we assumed A, B, C and D 4 points coordinates we are having. Once we draw these points on a XY plane, then we are getting A, C and B. These 3 points are collinear. Once these points are collinear, then how we will form quadrilateral. So from these points we cannot form any quadrilateral. Clear? Now next question, third one, observe carefully, in which we are assuming let A is 4, 5, B is 7, 6, C is 4, 3 and D is what 1, 2. We want to find what sort of quadrilateral is found by using these points. So again we will use distance formula. Distance formula is what square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? By using this formula we will find sides of quadrilateral. So what about AB? AB will be square root of x2 minus AB, x2 minus x1, 7 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 5 whole square. What we are getting? Observe, 7 minus 4 will be what? 3. 3 square will be what? 9. Plus 6 minus 5 will be what? 1. 1 square will be what? 1. So we are getting square root of 10. Next side, BC. What about BC? Square root of 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square. Solve. 4 minus 7 will be what? Minus 3. Minus 3 square will be what? Minus 3 square will be what? 9. Plus minus 3 square will be what? 9. We are getting square root of 18. Clear? Next side, CD will be what? Observe carefully. What about CD? CD. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 square plus y2 minus y1. 2 minus 3 square. What we are getting? Observe. 1 minus 4. Minus 3 square will be what? 9. Plus 3. 2 minus 3 will be what? Minus 1. Minus 1 square will be what? 1. We are getting root of square root of 10. Next side will be what? DA. Square root of DA. 4 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. Solve this one. 4 minus 1 will be what? 3 square will be what? 9 plus 5 minus 2 will be what? 3. 3 square will be what? 9. We are getting square root of 18. All four sides we obtain. Now what about the diagonals? AC. AC will be what? Square root of AC. Square root of 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 whole square. What we are getting? Square root of 0 plus minus 2 square will be what? 4. We are getting 2. Next one, BD. What about BD? Square root of BD. Square root of 1 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 whole square. Observe, solve. 1 minus 7. 1 minus 7 will be what? Minus 6 whole square. Minus 6 square will be what? 36 plus minus 4 square will be what? 16. What we are getting? Square root of 6 plus 6 will be what? 12. 1 is remaining. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. 52. Square root of 52. So what we are getting? AB equal to CD, comma BC equal to DA and AC is not equal to BD. So what we can say? In a parallelogram, opposite sides in a parallelogram, this side equal to this one and this one equal to this one, and diagonals are not equal. Clear? So what we can say? ABCD is a ABCD is a parallelogram. Why? Because in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Clear? So by using distance formula, we can observe what sort of the quadrilateral we can found by using these points. Clear? I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.